and we are in our Andy Pets Farm. We have a very special episode, and this is about New West, cold pressed dog food in the Philippines, and actually it's the first one as well. So, may I introduce to you?
Hi, my name is Christian, and I'm the managing partner of the Nobel Pets Company. I'm a chemist by profession and business owner. And syempre, dog lover. We decided kasi we have a lot of dogs, so we decided to have our own dog food as well. And with me is Sir Jun Gakad, the Chief Sales Officer.
Yeah, actually, I'm heading the sales and marketing on Nobel Pets, and I have a solid 23 years experience corporate work. So, just recently resigned last April this year, 2023. So, also focused lang sa bagong business namin na impact healthy dog food.
So, ayan. Salamat po ng madami. Tanong ko lang po, paano po nag-start yung impact? Like, sa dinami-dami ng pwedeng product na isell, why dog food? Why impact? Why is the name impact? And what differs this from the market?
So, ako muna sasagot mo. So, I think we started this one way back 2020 pa actually. So, yeah, ako kasi as a breeder myself, marami akong aso eh. I have back then, my peak was about 30 to 40 dogs.
Wow!
So, I have a lot of dogs, different breed. Tapos, tinry ko na yung maraming dog food. I even went into raw feeding and everything. Kaso parang laging may kulang dun sa binibigay ko. I have to give supplements, I have to give vitamins and minerals dun sa mga aso natin. So, 2020, I met with my old friend na animal nutritionist, and we decided to collaborate, to have our own dog food. Me being a chemist, and then syempre ka, animal nutritionist. Doon nagsimula yon. We collaborate, we experiment in a way, and we designed this to be a complete dog food, the healthiest. And also, very new yung technology yung ginamit namin, which is from Europe, and yung mga ingredients namin is imported as well.
So, ang kagandahan po talaga is, pag-breed ka kasi, alam mo na ang dami mo talagang dogs na papakainin. Tapos, ang hirap silang bigyan ng vitamins isa-isa. Like sa amin kasi, ang hirap isa-isa bigyan ng vitamins. So, minsan, hindi mo alam kung nabigyan na, kung mamaya kulang, isang bote ng vitamins kulang, isang bote ng vitamins na ganito, kulang pa rin sa kanila, or ang bilis maubos. So ito po, impact, meron na siyang vitamins and minerals na masasabi niyo po na hindi na nila kailangan magdagdag pa.
Oh yeah, that's true, Andy. Actually, nung dinesign namin to, we decided talaga to be on a holistic approach na talagang all-in-one siya pag pinigay, and wala ka na kailangan yan. Because back then, again, I have a lot of nutrients being imported from Australia, from New Zealand talaga. Yeah, definitely. And then the pandemic hits, lalo mas humirap. But actually, that's why we decided talaga na we need to give this as easy as possible to the owner, to the other breeders as well.
So, my question is, ano po ba yung cold pressed dog food? Kasi syempre sa market, di nila talaga malalaman yung differences at unless sabihin mo na cold press siya, and then with the cold press, kailangan mo pa siyang i-explain. So, what is the best explanation of what cold press is?
Alright. But actually, Andy, that's a really nice question. Kasi yun talaga yung namin yung kaibahan namin. Actually, apakadami ng dog food sa market. But the problem is, what we find is, doon sa cold press technology kasi from Europe, what it does is, ang niluluto lang namin, or what we pre-cook, is the ingredients na kailangang iluto. So, what happens is, kahit i-google mo siya, or cold press, what it actually do is, it retains all the nutrients, all the vitamins, all the minerals, as well as the essential omega fats, and amino acids.
Oh,
so,
tapos pagdating sa amino acid, it's my time.
amino acids. Yan. So, definitely, what it does is it gives more of the good vitamins and minerals and the nutrients, whereas compared to the other dog foods in the market. Actually, ang gusto ko mag-explain nito, kung ano yung kaibahan namin, is si Sir June, yung aming sa sales.
Papunta na kami nakapresent.
Sir June, paano ba explain yung dog food natin?
Well, actually, nag-start siya lahat when they introduced yung dog food. Way back, 20, I think late 2021, binibig sila ito. So, sabi ko akong katuwa. So, since ang dami ko rin aso sa bahay, so tinry ko siya. Sabi ko, ganda ng dog food. But back then, sila Christian talaga. Walang alam about business. So, they created yung impact. Talaga for personal business. So, yung story ng impact na kaganda mapapansin mo talaga. Binlate itong production na ito. Hindi naman talaga i-business to earn money. But
For personal use po talaga.
sa mga namin aso. So sabi ko, Christian mo, so why not i-market natin? Isa iba tayo. That time, I think 97 or probably here in the Philippines, 99% ng dog food sa market, heat extruded.
Heat extruded po.
Yeah, so meaning, pagka heat extruded, all the ingredients, diluso yan, pinagsama-sama at high heat.
High heat, pa sama-sama lang lahat and
So,
all.
high heat yan, may tendency na mawalan ng, mabawasan ng vitamins. So, mawalan ng vitamins. Second, yung protein, yung dog, pag na-overcook yan, nagiging metabolic na very harmful.
Ano po metabolic waste?
Yes, na very harmful sa kidney and the liver ng mga parties. So, ito ko lang din siya nalaman. Wow, ganda ka sa na to. So, I tried it sa mga puppies and sa mga dogs ko. Ang ganda nung naging result. So, sa dog ito, si-market mo ito. Na nakita ko yung opportunity dito sa dog food. And when Christian explained to me ano yung difference natin when it comes to ingredients, na very healthy tayo. So, sabi kong gano'n, maganda rin siya parang somehow parang advocacy mo na rin to help their farm parents na i-introduce sila sa healthy na dog food para sa mga farm babies. Ang number one problem kasi ngayon, nating mga may aso sa lahat.
Breeders, for friends, for moms, for dad.
So, nalaman ko recently lang Even ako, guilty ako dito before. Pag sinabing dog food, feeling natin pare-parehas.
Oh.
Pag dog food, regardless sa price, pare-parehas lang yan, dog food yan. Kasi nga naman, yung itsura nila, pare-parehas. Di ba? Isa-isa So, feeling ng lahat ng farm parents, isa lang ang dog food. But mali. Maraming dog food ang hindi nila alam na harmful sa mga fur babies nila. So, wala siyang iniwan na nagpapakain siya ng junk food sa mga anak niya.
So, parang pag pinagpakain sila, may mga dog food na literal na junk food lang.
Yeah. Well, based sa ingredients na meron, makikita naman natin yan na, diba? So, ano yung mga laman, no? If you compare yung ingredients na mga premium brand, yung mahal, tsaka dun sa mura, kahit anong brand pa yan, makikita nyo talaga yung difference.
So, yung layo talaga.
Yung layo, no? So, kung mapapansin mo, lahat ng murang brand, halos isa yung laman pagdating sa ito. Pag pumunta ka naman sa medyo premium, super premium brands na dog food, makikita mo rin yung ingredients sa aming insurance. So, di na namin kailangan sabihin or baka isipin ng iba, let's sira na yung dog food. Pwede lang search sa internet yung mga ingredients na makikita nila rin sa dog food nila. Then tingnan nila kung gano'n siya kaganda, no? So, actually, yung challenge ko normally sa mga kaibigan ko. Sige, tingnan natin yung ingredients, yung dog food ko. Search mo sa internet, ano ba yung mga healthy at hindi healthy ng ingredients. Dapat wala din sa dog food. Ano kita ganun? Yung common yun. So, iba pala talaga ang dog food.
So, kung mapupunta pa tayo sa ingredients, tignan nga po natin yung ingredients.
Alright, so first muna, sa impact, lagi namin, yung kasi yung totoo, lagi namin sinasabi, we have no salt,
No salt,
Yeah, no preservative,
preservative,
no artificial coloring.
no artificial coloring.
So yun yung mga hindi magagandang ingredients wala agad sa dog food namin. Ang isa pa naming ginagamit na mahalagang ingredients is the BSF protein, which is the cleanest protein source ever. And this is imported from South Korea.
Ano yung BSF?
So BSF stands for Black Soldier Fly. Isa siyang insect-based protein na it is actually farmed and cultivated in a lab in South Korea.
Social,
Yeah.
South Korea.
Oo, mga
Pangmalakasan, opa, sarang eh.
Yeah. So, kaya naman namin ginamit yun because it is hypoallergenic.
Mm-hmm.
And like what I said, it is the cleanest source of protein. Hindi katulad ng mga other source of protein na pwedeng kung kuwari sa beef, meron tayong mad cow disease, foot and mouth disease, na maaaring, although wala pa naman nangyayari, yung mga viruses kasi na yun, pwede siya i-transfer sa aso eh. Paano kung yung ginamit nilang ingredients na yun sa dog food, meron pa lang ganon. Di transferable agad sa aso. Meron din naman tayo sa chicken, syempre chicken, bird flu. Sa pork, yung foot and mouth disease nga. So, we decided to use a Nobel protein. That's why the Nobel Pets Company. Because, yeah, Nobel means new, innovative. Yan. So, also, it is also economical, although imported kasi talaga siya. And, yeah, we could go through the ingredients. And like what I said, makikita natin na wala tayong salt, walang preservatives, and other bad necessities dun sa aso natin. Sa dog food natin.
Actually, to highlight more yung BSF. So, yun yung advantage ng impact. Ginamit talaga namin sa Nobel protein, sa BSF. But if you will compare yung ibang dog food brands na sinasabi ko na, mapapansin nyo kagad dun pa lang sa protein. Ito based to sa Google or internet. Mga scrap meat ang ginagamit nila.
Yeah, mga byproduct.
Byproduct.
So, actually, ito, kung mapapansin nyo din sa packaging namin, naglagay kami ng hypoallergenic. No? So, kanina, in-explain na ni Christian bakit kami hypoallergenic. Ang ginagamit namin sa BSF larvae, sa Black Soldier Fly larvae. So, talagang non-allergen siya. Hindi kami gumamit ng beef, chicken, or other meat products na pwedeng mag-allergy yung aso na. Second, sabi namin, shinier coat and softer fur because of the good oil na ginagamit namin. So, naglagay kami ng good oil, meron tong iba't ibang vitamins, and meron din tong omega-3, 6, and 9 para sa balahibo, skin, and sa heart ng dogs niyo. Then sabi namin is longer muscle and joints because of the beef collagen or tinatawag naming beef bone broth na nilagay din namin na para sa mga joints ng dogs natin and also para sa healthy na liver and kidney nila. And last, healthier stomach and a better digestion because of the symbiotics. No? So yun, gusto ko lang din i-highlight yun. Normally, yung mga dog food na babasa natin, meron silang probiotics. So kami, sa Impact Cold Press Dry Food, symbiotic ang ginamit namin. It's a powerful combination of probiotics and prebiotics. No? So para merong tatawag namin kasi pagka mas stronger yung stomach and gut ng aso so nagtatranslate to a good health. So yun po. So supported lahat kung ano yung nilagay namin sa packaging namin.
So, ang tanong, gaano po ka-affordable ang Impact?
Actually, ang ganda nung question mo, no? Yung iba kasi sinasabi sa ganda nung Impact, sure sila mahal siya. Para po sa segment na pinasok namin, sa premium brand, kami po ang pinakamura sa market na premium at super premium segment ng dog.
So, kumbaga yung parang 1 kilo sa premium dog food, dito makakuha mo na ng naka 3 kilo ka na, ganun.
5 kilo
Maka 5 kilo pa yung yung...
Actually, halos sa konti na lang kapresyo na namin yung mga value lines na dog food, no? Yung mga pumuray na dog food. So, tatagdag ka lang ng konti, meron ka ng napaka-healthy na dog food.
So, dadagdag ka lang ng konti, hindi ka na magdadagdag ng separate for mga vitamins, na nasa bote, na nasa tablet. Andito na lahat.
Actually, tagal nung usapan namin nila Christian dyan. Kasi siya, kinake niya yung dog food.
As a chemist,
Yes, para talaga sa alaga lang. Then, ito si June, pumasok. Sabi ko, yung negosyo na. So, of course, as a businessman, yung pricing ko, paano ba talaga nag-price sa market? 23 years sa corporate world, so alam ko naman, bigla lang ako pagdating sa pricing. So, nung sinabi ko natin yung presyo namin, sabi ni Christian, medyo malayo yung sa gusto namin mangyari. Kasi ang gusto nga namin is makapag-provide kami ng affordable na pero super alam mo yun, yung sa vitamins and nutrients kompleto. A healthy dog but at a very affordable price. So yun, so medyo after ng mahabang discussion, sige, ano ba yung pinakasagad na pwede namin ibigay? That's why we came up dun sa, kami yung pinakamura pagdating dun sa premium and super premium segment.
Ilang serving po yung pwedeng kainin ng dog per meal? Like, malaki po ba? Maliit?
Usually, ako kasi as a breeder, talagang apaka-technical ko pagdating sa pagpapakain. I always give them, depende sa needs nila ha, kasi meron akong mga gustong chubby-chubby, gusto patabain. So, depending, actually, usually it's about 1 to 3% of their body weight.
So yun ang technique.
Yes, yun ang technique. Yun ang gusto mong yung 1% if you are maintaining the weight of your dog.
din lang din.
Kung gusto mo. Usually, pag summer usually, yes.
Ano mga dogs na
Yeah, mga athletic. So, I usually just give them that para ma-maintain yung weight nila. 2% if they are working, kung marami silang ginagawa, if they're running around the backyard, yun, mga 2%. And 3% if I'm increasing their weight. For example, kailangan kong isali sa show, or if hindi ako masaya dun sa weight nila, I usually give them 3% of their body weight. And depende naman yung serving naman, depende kung ang edad nila. If they're adult, like 1 year above, I usually just give them 1 meal a day para rin ma-preserve yung para rin ma-preserve yung pancreatic function nila. Yeah, because that's very needed sa wild naman, which kung saan galing yung mga aso natin, they usually don't eat 3 times a day. Hindi naman. So, they usually eat when food is available, pero mas healthy pa rin sila because of the fasting na tinatawag. So, for me, 1 year old and above, it's twice a day. If it's puppy, may mga puppies din kasi ako, it's twice a day. Kapag more than 6 months, if it's under 6 months, yun yung nagtatry sa day. Kasi mga 2 dapat sa mga baby. In combination with milk naman, yung mga super puppies, yung talaga maliliit. Actually, masarap siya kasi all natural yung ingredients natin and human grade. So, human grade siya, so no problem. Kahit ako, kinakain ko sa hindi ko pa siya actually.
Oh my God!
So, you know, pwede mo siya tikman. No problem. Kasi human grade naman yung mga ingredients natin.
Parang pulveron na walang asukal.
Yes, definitely. Kasi, and mapapansin mo hindi siya maalat. Unlike yung sa iba, kahit amoy lang.
Amoy pulveron.
Yes. Mabango siya because of
Ano man, pakita ka sa cam. Pakita ka sa cam, beef.